Hey everyone, Alanis here with Blushington. I am one of their makeup artists in the Upper East Side location. I've been there for about 3 years now, but today we wanted to share one of our signature looks with you guys, so it is pure and natural. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Step number 1 is to sanitize your hands because we are going to be using our fingers for a lot of the makeup application. So the first two products I'm digging into are going to be the CC Red Corrector from Herborian, and I'm actually going to mix that into the CC cream. That way it removes my redness and it kind of evens out my skin tone. So you're gonna wanna mix that all together using the warmth of your fingertips. I mix it for like about 30 seconds. And from there, just apply it on your face like you would sunscreen. As you can see, that just gives you a super light skin-like coverage. And moving straight onto eyes, I'm going to take this Jouer eye primer and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. The eye primer is actually super important for this look because we're not using a lot of eyeshadows, so the primer is going to get rid of discoloration, redness, veins, and that way it looks like a more polished look. So moving straight onto eyeshadow, I'm going to take this PYT palette. It has all of your basic colors and some fun shimmers, so I'm going to dig into this nice beige powder. Just taking that on a nice fluffy brush and applying it all over my eye just to brighten everything up. And with that same fluffy brush, I'm going to dig into the brown color and apply that all over my crease. And then I'm going to take the highlight shade and I'm just going to pop that right in my inner corner to make my eyes pop a little bit. Okay, super simple. We're just going to take the Stila Smudge Stick Liner in Lionfish and I'm going to apply that on my lash line. This liner is super forgiving, so all I'm going to do once I apply that, I'm going to take a small little brush and smudge it out a bit. And now moving on to concealer, I'm taking the Becca Aqua Luminous. I'm using this very sparingly. I'm only going to apply it where I see that I have a little bit of darkness, where I need a little more coverage. And now taking that same Stila eyeliner in Lionfish, I'm going to apply that in my waterline. Okay, my bags are quite ridiculous today, so I'm going to apply that same liner right on my lash line to kind of distract from them. And now I'm going to take the Jouer Adore Blush Duo, and I'm just going to dip into these peachy pinky color and apply it straight onto my cheeks. And lastly, for the face, I'm just taking my PYT palette again, dipping into the highlight and applying that right on top of my cheekbones. And I'm going to just run a nice clear brow gel through my brows. This one is from Brow Gal. And last but not least, I'm taking this Petite and Pretty gloss in the shade Glow Down. And you can even take some of that gloss on the high points of your cheek as a highlight. And this is the final look. I can't believe that I don't even have a proper foundation on and my skin looks so incredibly even and natural. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you are following us so that you can stay tuned for the rest of our signature looks. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.